Hey folks, let's take a look at the skills progress bar component. I mean, it's located here in our About To page. It sort of animates in. It's also used on some of the index pages or the landing pages, but updating it's going to be the same for everything. So let's just take a look. First of all, there's the name that we use for each progress bar, the title, if you want to call it that. Then we have a percentage, a number over here, and then there's the bar in the background, and the bar will sort of animate out to a certain width depending on what width you set it at. So let's just jump in and figure out how this works. So we'll just go to our About To page for now. I'll just open the library item and take a look and go, ooh, bunch of gobbledygook. I can't read that. So I'm going to do the Control Shift and I. So we've commented things with progress bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to sort of identify what's what. Where you see progress bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep in mind that information will not be displayed in your web browser. It's only visible in the library page, just to sort of help separate things out for you. Next we have the design skills, then we have the percentage, and you can do this in the design window if you want. I'm going to switch over to the code view because it's just as easy, and we would change for the first progress bar. There's progress bar there. It says progress bar 1, all titled for you. So this is the title, design skills. Change that to whatever you want. The second thing we want to change is the percentage. This is the visible percentage, 101 right down here, where it says PB right. So this is the number right here, and this is the number right here. So whatever you want the visible percentage number to show up as, you can type that in here. Typically, we would match this number with the number right up above. However, the maximum width we can physically go is 100%. You can't go 101% or it'll really screw up the page, right? So if it's going to be 150%, you still have to type in 100%. Here's a better example. Down below we have 82% being visibly shown, and here's the width. The actual width the bar will expand out to, we set that with a style of 82%. So just make sure this number here matches this number here. Except in the case of if you're going to be an overachiever, this number here, if it exceeds 100%, the maximum you can go, or should go, is 100 right there. Of course, feel free to change it up and see if you can break it. But then you can continue on down the page. That's the title of the progress bar on the left-hand side, right? Late nights, and then over here on the right-hand side, we have that 82% showing up, and then we would match that up with the actual physical width of the bar. And of course, the really cool thing about the progress bar is if you don't need a progress bar, select the entire slide or item and just delete it out of the page. If you need to add more, copy an existing progress bar. You see the comment tags, progress bar, copy that and all the little bits and pieces in between and paste it in between above or below an existing one, and then go and make your changes. Because it's a vertical bar, you're not limited to how many you can have. You could have like 2,000 of these, and although it might take a little bit to animate them all, they would eventually all show up in your page. So that's it.